We currently have multiple advisories, watches, and warnings across northeast Kansas. As you can see, we have a red flag warning for fire conditions today. We also have a high wind warning for most of the western portion of our viewing area for winds as high as 60 miles per hour and gusts even higher. And we have that wind advisory as well for most of the eastern portion of our viewing area that will last until 9 p.m. tonight for winds between 30 and 50 miles per hour and wind gusts around that range as well. As we take a look at our Capitol Federal Live Storm Tracker, currently in the 30s and 40s right now, 33 in Topeka, 40 in Emporia, 36 in Manhattan, and 37 out in Concordia. Not seeing a lot of cloud cover out here either. Capitol Federal Skycam in West Topeka currently shaking because it's very windy outside, as you may feel if you step out the door. And from our Capitol Federal Skycam in Maple Hill, you can see the grass looks dry, and that's just going to add fuel if one spark gets loose and may cause fires in grasslands like this below. Dew point right now are in the single digits and teens, which means the air is very dry. It feels very dry. Relative humidity also is pretty low right now, which causes that danger for the fires. And right now, that relative humidity is in the 30s, 40s, and 50th percentile. As we take a look at our peak wind gusts today, 63 miles per hour in Lawrence earlier, almost 70 miles per hour in Emporia, 53 mile per hour wind gust in Topeka, 41 in Manhattan, and 69 miles per hour out in Concordia. As we take a look at those current wind speeds, currently between around 15 and 30 miles per hour around the area. Current wind gust between around 15 and around 60 miles per hour. As you can see, it's gusting almost 51 miles per hour out in Concordia right now. Those winds will die down as we go throughout this evening into tonight, picking back up a little bit as we go into tomorrow afternoon before dying down once again. We do have that fire weather outlook. We have an elevated area for a risk of fire weather, and then there's a critical area just to our south. As we track out what that will look like over the next day or so, that will die down a little bit. Then we'll see a little bit of a risk for fire weather tomorrow afternoon, but overall it dies down for the most part and really stays died down as we go throughout the next couple days. Tonight's forecast overall, we will be in the teens and 20s in clear skies. Next 24 hours dropping into the 20s and back into the 40s by tomorrow. Tomorrow's forecast overall, 40s and 50s, partly sunny. As we go into Saturday, we will be partly cloudy in the 40s and 50s. Tracking out that, we will be cold tonight for the most part, as you can see. And then we will warm up as we go into tomorrow, staying warm tomorrow in the 40s and 50s before cooling down after sunset. 8-day forecast, as you can see, winter starts on Sunday. Then we have Christmas Eve Wednesday and Christmas next Thursday.